Hi, I'm David Lopez, Application Sales Engineer with Tempo Communications, and today we're going to talk about the FIP100 Fiber Inspection Probe. The Tempo Communications FIP100 Fiber Inspection Probe is a fully automated inspection tool that provides fast and reliable analysis of fiber optic connector end faces and bulkheads. With a single button press, the FIP100 automatically focuses, captures an image of the connector end face, and provides a pass-fail result. The pass-fail status of the connector is instantly reported via a red-green LED on the probe. The FIP100 utilizes autofocus and centering algorithms with the image displayed on a cell phone or tablet using the companion iOS or Android app. Both multi-language apps are preloaded with pass-fail IEC 61300-3-35 requirements, as required by all major telecommunication service providers. A PDF report detailing all pertinent information can be saved for report generation and sharing. The technician has the opportunity to customize the analysis of the standard IEC 61300-3-35 to their desired criteria. The FIP100 is capable of less than 1 micron resolution with a field of view of 612 by 460 microns. Device magnification of up to 700 times ensures that even the smallest feature will be found in both live and captured modes. Each FIP100 is supplied an SC UPC bulkhead tip, SC bulkhead, a lanyard, a universal power supply, and a quick reference card, all packaged into a carry case. All service and technical support is located at the Tempo Communications factory in Vista, California, and at our United Kingdom facility.